Good morning, everyone. For this video, we're going to start with our second quarter, which is our second quarter or our second unit, which is the polynomial functions. So we are done with our first unit, the sequences and series. Okay, so our learning targets for this unit, so the first one, so at the end of this lesson, you are expected to review the definition of polynomials. So balikan natin ano nga ba ang definition ng polynomials. Then number two, we are also going to identify a polynomial function from a given set of functions. So kailan nga ba polynomial function ng isang polynomial? Third one, you're also going to determine the degree of the given polynomial function. And we're also going to determine the number of terms in a given polynomial function. So ito po yung target nating ma-discuss within this video. Okay, so let's start with ano nga ba ang definition ng isang polynomial? So a polynomial is a special kind of algebraic expression where each term is constant, a variable, or a product of constants and variables raised to full number exponents. So again, masasabi natin isang polynomial ang isang equation kung meron siyang constant, meron siyang variable, or combination ng constant and variables. So an algebraic expression is not a polynomial when there are, so ito yung mga cases kung saan ang isang algebraic expression ay hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na isang polynomial or polynomial function. So unang-una, if there are square roots of variables, so kapag nasa loob ng radical ang isang variable, automatic po na hindi polynomial yung algebraic expression. Pangalawa, when there are negative powers. Example, x raised to negative 3. So, hindi po natin masasabi na siya ay polynomial function. And last one, if there are variables in the denominator of any fractions. So, hindi din po pwedeng magkaroon ng variable ang denominator ng isang polynomial function. So examples, so we have here 5x raised to negative 3. So is this a polynomial or not? We also have 3 over x squared. So identify din natin if it is a polynomial or not. And we also have square root of x. Okay, so the first one, 5x raised to negative 3 is not a polynomial because the variable has a negative exponent. Kasi sabi nga po natin kanina, ang isang polynomial function na hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng isang negative exponent. The next example, we also have 3 over x squared. So, hindi rin siya polynomial because the variable is in the denominator. So, again, the polynomial function, hindi po tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng variable sa ating denominator. And last one, square root of x, is not also a polynomial since the variable is inside the radical. So kapag ang variable again ay nasa loob ng radical, so hindi natin siya pwedeng i-consider as polynomial function. Next, so a polynomial function is defined by f of x is equal to a sub n, x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 times x raised to n minus 1, so on and so forth, where a sub 0, a sub 1, hanggang a sub n po are real numbers. So technically lang po, ang ibig sabihin lamang ng polynomial function, ang isang algebraic expression ay polynomial function kapag ang algebraic expression po is equal to f of x. So let's see kung naintindihan po ba ang polynomial functions. So which of the following is or are polynomial functions? So think carefully. So we have here p of x is equal to 8x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 3. And we also have p of x is equal to 9x squared plus 4x minus 2 over x plus 5. So you can pause this video para i-identify or i-observe po yung ating given functions. Okay, so let's see. So yung ating unang equation or function is a polynomial since it obeys all rules. So wala pong variables na nasa radicals, wala po tayong negative exponents, and wala po tayong variable na nasa denominator. Whereas yung pangalawang equation natin or function is not a polynomial function since we have there negative 2 over x or 2 over x. So this function is not a polynomial function kasi may variable po ang denominator.